Right, we took that little pipe off. So, and what you do then is we took a little bit of Bi-Carb Soda and chuck it inside warm water as much as you can handle with your bare hands. So that's about 2 liters. Chuck those things in, I'll say 1 liter, and then we threw a cup of vinegar in, then it makes a chemical reaction. And what we did is we put the pump in there and let it lay for a little bit, you know, like this. And you can just swing the pump a little bit like this and let it stand for about a quarter of an hour. And then in the back side you can just take a screwdriver and check if it's loosened. And this is what I did. And after a while I've checked if my pump is working. I just want to show you guys. So I was checking if the pump is working. Just had to put it a little bit higher, and then I pressed it. Press that little blue button there, that one there, and there's it working. And then you let it run for about a minute or two with that vinegar, Bi-Carb Soda and a little bit of water. Let it run, and you'll see all this black stuff is coming out. That's the stuff that's clotting this little pump up. And you can do it all yourself. So I'll just put it back together and see how it goes.